Magandang hapon. Narito na ang 5 PM Lotto result. Araw ng Linggo, September 8, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto 5 PM draw. 5 and 1 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 5 PM draw. 5 1 and 0 in exact order. At mamayang gabi, abangan natin ang Ultra Lotto 658 draw na may estimated jackpot of more than 142 million. Schedule ng Lotto draws mamayang gabi ay Easy 2 Lotto, Suertres Lotto, Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.